TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. We had the Dow Industrials finished down 170. NASDAQ was up 14. S&P's off 12.5. Bottom line, folks, you had a sideways market out here with light volume. If we get over and we take a look at the SPY first, you're going to see in the SPY, bottom line, you finished down $1.30. Inside day, 77 million shares traded. Yesterday, you did 137 million. Bottom line is that very light volume. This market is waiting for option expiration. NDX 100, same type of setup inside the NDX 100. We're up 77 cents. You did 34 million shares. Yesterday, you did 48. You're going into the high with 58. No big deal there. And the small caps. We take a look at the IWM. Same setup in the IWM. Now, the difference of the IWM, the IWM actually pulled back with light volume. The IWM actually does look like it wants to try to get into the highs of yesterday. So we'll see how that shakes out. Gold contract rejected lower price at 17.17 today, closed out at 17.37.10. Bottom line, you're still in an ABC structure on the way up. You have a price projection of 18.21 to 18.37, and the way that gold actually did trade out here today, it almost looks to me like it actually is going to make that run more than likely tomorrow or the next day. And now, if that's what we're going to get, that dollar, it's been a sideways move for 4 days right now. With the dollar got to 97.338, closed out at 97.125. It is at the lower end of its range. Yet it had rejected the highs of the lows last week. So going to be a big number here. The volume in the indices also really light out here. We did look at that. We didn't even do 1 billion shares inside the NYSE, and that's been doing 1.3 to 1.4. Inside the Nasdaq Composite, we did 4.1. Bottom line is that for the composite, looking at the composite, that's not great because you don't want to be going too high highs, which we actually did out here today, and get a contraction of over 400 million shares. So we'll see how this baby does shake out in the next couple days. Have a great one, folks. Have a safe one. Come back and visit us tomorrow morning. Tommy kicks us off. Morning market kickoff, 8:30 in the morning. Please tell your friends about TFNN. Tell them to go to YouTube, search TFNN Corp, subscribe. We appreciate it. Have a great one. Have a safe one, folks.